video we will go through how to make the herringbone double crochet. It looks like this nearby. It's a very textured stitch with a very nice look. It's perfect, for example, for blankets because it's reversible. It looks the same on both sides. And I've used it for some garments, for example, the Oatfield Cardigan. I really love the texture and thickness of this stitch. And for example, for a blanket, you can just complete it with a nice border and it looks really modern and nice. To attach our yarn, I fold like this. So we have a V. Then I take that, insert my fingers and pull through. Insert my hook. And then I'm ready to begin. So now I will chain 17. To chain, you just yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now we have our 17 chains. And then we are ready to begin with our herringbone stitch. The chains look like this on the top, so I will turn them to work in the back bump. And this is the back bump here that you can see, the one in the middle. So I'll work in the third back bump, so that's 1, 2, 3, third back bump from the hook. So to make the herringbone half double crochet, we yarn over, insert our hook in the back bump, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through the loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook, one of the loops, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. So then again, yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through the loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through one of the loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both of the loops on the hook. Now we have 3. And we've completed the first row. For the next row, we chain 2 and turn. And then we'll make our stitch here in the first hole. So we yarn over, insert in the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through one of the loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through one of the loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. So in the same way as we did on the previous row. Yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through one of the loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through one of the loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. And that is just repeated for as many rows as you want and for as many stitches as you want. Now when we've made our swatch, we will also go through how to count the rows and the stitches, because since this stitch is very textured, it can be a bit tricky to count the rows. I'll see if you see it like this. Here you see a line, and then one there, and then one there. Between those lines there are 2 rows, so that's an option to always count, like from that line to that we have 2 rows, and then to that 2 more rows, so 4, and then to that 2 more rows, so 6. Here we don't see the line, so that's just 1 row, so 7. And here was the same, we didn't have a row down here, so that's 1. So here we have 8 rows. You can count them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. To count the stitches, it's easier to find the stitches that has like this, that they look a bit like single crochet. They have this bump here, so those are the ones I usually count. So then you start from